Hola, hola, hola. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hola Adventures in Spanish with Señora Lisa. Now, I want to introduce you all to someone really special to me. He's my friend, and let me just let you see him. Hola! Hi! This is Leonardo. Leonardo is my special friend, but we call him Leo. Leo el León. Leo the lion.
Hola a todos, me llamo Leo, mucho gusto.
Yeah, they're pleased to meet you too, Leo. Now, you're gonna sit here with me as we talk about today's cultural facts, and then also we're gonna do a recap of class. What did you think about class today, Leo?
Me encantó la clase, señora Lisa. Los animales en la granja. Yo tengo hambre pensándole los animales.
Stop, Leo. You're not getting hungry thinking about some of those farm animals, are you? What a bad lion you are. You better stop it. You guys, let's go ahead with the cultural facts right now. We're going to talk about a different animal this time in the country of Mexico. Mexico, this country, has the most reptile species in the world, housing over 700 reptile species, and also has the second most mammal species in the world, with over 430. In Mexico, there are jaguars, pumas, and huge iguanas.
I'm getting hungrier by the second, señora Lisa.
Stop it, Leo. Whales, manta rays, and manatees are common in the oceans and can sometimes be spotted right off of the Yucatan coast. How does that sound to you all?
It sounds great to me.
So let's talk about what we went over in today's class. We went to La Granja. Moo! Did you remember to do your animal sound?
Rawr!
Leo, was that just your voice or were you doing an animal sound for class?
Es mi animal favorito. Un león como yo, señora Lisa.
Of course a lion would be your favorite animal. Mine is a cow, of course. What else did we cover in class today? Do you all remember los animales? El caballo. ¡Nee! ¡Nee! Y también el pato.
Oh, mi animal favorito también. I'm getting hungrier.
Stop talking about ducks like that. Quack, 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 quack. What other animals did we talk about in class today? Los perros. Ruff, 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 ruff. You're right. Do you remember the animals? We had such a great time on the farm today. Well, I think it's about time for us to... Leo. Yes, I'm gonna share my snack with you. You think you want to sing the adios song with me and all of my friends out there? Okay, let's get ready to sing. Adios, mis amigos. Wait a minute, something's missing. Oh, here we go. Adios, mis amigos, adios.
Adios.
Adios, mis amigos, adios.
Adios, everyone. Let's eat.
Not yet, Leo. Adios, mis amigos. Adios, mis amigos. Adios, mis amigos. Adios.
Adios. Vamos a comer.
All right. Let's eat. Here you go, Leo.